Renovating a historic
building
is a great investment.
I think that the living downtown or loft apartments are very popular, and they lease just almost immediately.
And having waiting lists all the time for people interested in your property is a nice thing.
And I encourage anybody that wants to start a business or buy a building to do it. I wish I would have done it 20 years ago. Now I know, and I would encourage anyone out there, if you're looking to start a business, do it in a local small town and do it now.
The response that we've had with Bean couldn't be any better. The community has welcomed my wife's coffee shop, and they've supported us even during the pandemic times when things were tough. I think that if you come to the downtown area and make a capital investment, I know for a fact that if you run your business well and you are sincere about your product offerings, that you are going to be very successful in downtown.
It takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of effort, but it's totally worth it.
We've not struggled for customers since we've been open, and that's part of being downtown.
Really high energy, and there's not a lot of time for rest, which is great. We are on our feet all day, and it's just great to see the different people coming in and hearing where they're traveling from. We would get people from out of state coming in, and then we also get a lot of people that come back.
Love it when we bring our events into downtown. It's very successful, as we know. Fact that the Chamber does an excellent job, but we also have great business owners that jump on board, and they execute it better than expected. So I think anything brought downtown right now is just nothing but win.
But when you do something like Junk Junction, the retailers that are here benefit, but it's showcasing the town, and people that came from out of town were blown away by downtown Moberly.
The Chamber's done just a fantastic
amazing
job in these type of events like Railroad Days in Junk Junction.
About us is it's me and my mom, and we kind of, we didn't start with some great huge bank account to work from. She's a retired teacher, and I dabbled in a few other things before this, and we were able to do it on a retired teacher's budget, and so I think if we can do it, it's possible for anybody.
There is a project for almost everybody out there. There's a lot of people who fit into a middle-class family who can afford to do some of these buildings.
It took a couple years to restore that building, and I used my first project using state and federal tax credits, which is a way to finance the construction of these buildings and do it the right way.
And now that there's a lot of momentum going on down here, I think the properties are increasing and holding their value.
Come to Moberly and invest in our downtown area.
If you're interested in investing in or improving a property in the Moberly Depot District, MAADC can help with financial incentives, business connections, and consulting.